True food prep tables offer the benefits of both cold food refrigeration and storage with a convenient work surface for food preparation. Featuring a patented, oversized, and balanced, environmentally friendly forced air refrigeration system, units direct airflow beneath the food pans to hold food temperatures between 33 and 41 degrees. TFPs are available in 4 sizes, ranging from 32 inches to 72 inches, allowing them to integrate into any kitchen layout. Units maximize kitchen space thanks to their innovative front discharge airflow design, enabling them to be built into tight spaces within millwork or side by side with other units, without the need for surrounding clearances. Units feature an all stainless steel front, top, and sides. Self-closing swing doors feature recessed handles and easily removable gaskets. A 90-degree stay-open feature allows for easy loading and unloading. TFPs can be configured with drawers for convenient food pan storage. TFPs come standard with stainless steel foam insulated lids designed to keep ingredients fresh. An 8-inch white polyethylene cutting board runs the full length of the unit, providing a versatile, sanitary, and comfortable working surface. The interior features an attractive, NSF-approved clear aluminum cabinet with cove corners and stainless steel floor. Units come standard with 2 adjustable, heavy-duty PVC-coated wire shelves per door. All units come standard with a 3-year parts and labor warranty and an additional warranty on the compressor. True's commitment to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems, provide colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's Food Prep Tables.